So for this, we are going to use Clever Cloud. So that endpoint also you will get in this document.
It is there above.
Okay, anyhow, I can remember this URL. So go to browser, search for clevercloud.com. Okay. Here again, you need to do sign up. So in sign up, it will ask for few basic details, email, then password. You need to validate this, and then it will sign up for you. It's very straightforward. You don't need to do much thing. Okay. Once you will sign up, you will go to login. Means automatically you will redirect to login. You need to give your user ID. I think first time you will be inside your home page only. For me, I am doing login, so I need to give my user ID and password. Yeah, Kumar, I think you have query.
Hi Ravi, like I have one doubt. So here you are not using any SQL developer or MySQL workbench for SQL.
Yeah, you don't need anything. So in cloud service, they are providing everything.
Okay, okay.
And Ravi, this a trial, like for how long we can use this one?
Using from last 6-7 months. So I think this is valid for a long time.
Oh, okay. All right, sure. Thank you.
Okay. So once you will log in, so here you can see I have already many organism, but for this project, we will create new. Okay. So billing address, you can put anything. Okay, then click on create. Okay, so I created that organism. Then here in this create option, you need to click on this drop down, and here you need to select add an add-on. Okay, then here you need to select many, they are providing many services. Okay, so we will use MySQL. Here in first option, you will get free one. Tab 510 MB. Okay, you need to select this account. Okay, if you will select any other, you need to pay. Click on next. Then you can give same name. Okay, so server they are taking from France. Let it be. Okay, and then so we are done with this setup. So this is our detail. Okay, so you need to store all this detail. So when you want to connect with database, this will be your host. Host this. So you need to make a note of this. Then port will be default. I think that will be 3306, which is common for all MySQL. Then username this. Then password. Schema name also. Database name. So to connect with database, you need all this. Now, many people are saying like how we will connect with Workbench and all. I'm not sure you can use Workbench to connect with this or not. Most probably you will able to connect, but you don't need actually Workbench. In this cloud service, they are providing Workbench also. You need to click on this PHP My Admin. Okay, just click on this. And all the option what you are getting on Workbench, you will get here only. You don't need to integrate with your Workbench. Okay, since this is first time, so maybe it's taking some time. Let it load. So in Workbench, you are getting all these options. So everything is here. You can create table, delete table, everything you will be able to do. So if I go to database, so I will have two database. One is information schema, and this one is what we created. So we'll use this one. And here you can do all those things what you can do Workbench. Let's say I want to create table. So create table name demo. How many columns we want? I want 2 columns. One will be name. Next will be role. Name will be varchar. Length will be 50. Then this will be 10. Then save it. So we are done with this table. Okay, if you want to insert data, go to insert. Say then roll number 1. Message recon. Okay. So this query got generated. You can use this query to insert multiple data. That's it. So we are done with this. Now, if you want to select name role from this, click on go. So it will give you this to record. So everything you can do on this cloud service. So it will not create any kind of problem for your system. If you will install MySQL server and Workbench, then your system will may slow, since Anypoint Studio itself is a very heavy application. Okay, so I will suggest to use this one instead of installing it in local. Even if you have in local, just delete it. Now use this particular server. Okay, let me know if anyone has any doubt. So we will do lots of operation. We will create actual object or actual table and fields later on. For now, we are just seeing how we will manage this particular tool, how to create account, how to create this particular, I can say, organization. Inside that organization, how to create one MySQL server account, and then how to perform operation inside this. In browse also, you will able to see all the data. Okay, if not, then we are good with this also. So we are done with this MySQL server also.